Welcome back, pizza lovers. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We're about to embark on a mouth-watering journey with the incredible ROCCBOX Pizza Oven by Gozney, the ultimate outdoor portable oven that's about to revolutionize your pizza-making game. This compact and powerful pizza oven is a game-changer for those who love to cook and entertain outdoors. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, it's perfect for pizza parties, family gatherings, or simply enjoying a delicious slice of homemade pizza in your own backyard. One of the standout features of the ROCCBOX is its impressive heat retention. Thanks to its innovative insulation, it reaches temperatures of over 900 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to achieve that authentic Neapolitan-style pizza in just 60 seconds. Now, let me show you just how easy it is to use the ROCCBOX. With its intuitive control panel, you can adjust the temperature, set timers, and monitor the cooking process with just a few taps. It's like having a professional pizzeria right at your fingertips. While the ROCCBOX is designed for pizza, it's not limited to it. You can unleash your culinary creativity by cooking a wide variety of dishes, from sizzling steaks and mouth-watering seafood to delectable desserts. The possibilities are truly endless. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to dig in and taste the incredible flavors that the ROCCBOX brings to the table. The crust is perfectly crispy on the outside, yet soft and fluffy on the inside. The toppings are cooked to perfection, and the smoky flavor from the oven gives it that extra wow factor. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to elevate your outdoor cooking experience with the ROCCBOX Pizza Oven by Gozney. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your culinary skills and create unforgettable moments together. Don't miss out on the chance to become a true pizzaiolo. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting cooking content. Until next time, happy cooking!